Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 2155th edition of short-term trading. This is day trading, but not scalping by any means. Live with Oscar.com. Traders, it's 109 degrees out right now as I film. I am foregoing putting on my jacket and going into that hot studio. And I'm giving you one of these shoots, okay? So bear with me. It's really hot late into August here in Las Vegas. So please know that this is a very risky game. Always put your stops in first. Those are the rules. Number 1, 2, and 3. Put your stops in first. Put your stops in first. Put your stops in first. You can lose more than you have in your accounts. This is certainly not suitable for everybody. Futures trading, cowboy trading if you don't know what you're doing. So please know the risks. All right, traders. So for trading on Wednesday, August 26, 2020, that's Tuesday night through Wednesday. Right now I've got green Omni in NASDAQ and the other indices. S&P's green. Why not go for it? NASDAQ looks fantastic. If we go over to the S&P, on that weekly possible double top, we're far above it right now, right? No denying that. We are above that double top. Now, just keep this in the back of your minds, traders. I'm going to show you the bottom of this chart. During the week that we broke that trend line, double bottom, COVID week, during the week that we broke, we went through it, but in the same week came all the way back, and the settlement was here. It came up this high, right? Settlement was here. Boom. So it went through the line, looked like it was going to be the end of the world. This is on a weekly bar, and then by the end of the week, it turned around, settled up here. So just keep in mind, and I'm not saying I expect it, but there's a possibility that we could do the same thing up here, just run up, and by the end of this weekly bar, end up down here, right? This could happen. You go up a little higher, like you've seen this thing go lower down here, and then it gets smashed. Now, that could happen because of the double top. But we're day traders, and I'm more interested in the daily. So the daily, we are above the double top. That's that. Omni's green. It says buy a deep dip, and we will look to buy the dips in even the S&P, maybe NASDAQ. I don't think so, though, because it stops it too dramatic. Maybe in Russell, but certainly S&P. But there are other markets that are catching my attention. This one's a nice one. Take a look at this. Look at the gold. Now, maybe, maybe not, but I think that that's a bear flag. And, of course, it's been coming down from these highs up here. Made those nice highs, but it's been coming down, rallied up into some weird bear flag looking thing, broke again, and I think this is another flag being made. Now, another thing that you can actually possibly call this, if you didn't subscribe to this bear flag, watch this. Not that it's large, so I don't know that it would do anything, but you actually have a head and shoulders here. Right? See that? Watch. I'll just make it seem, it'll just pop out before your eyes. You actually have a head and shoulders right here. So maybe, just maybe, it wants to go down a little bit. Now, you know, if you follow my teachings, a small head and shoulders is not usually the topping of a market, not in my opinion. A small head and shoulders, in most occasions, will do nothing more than give you a stall, and then the market will continue in its direction. But, hey, for now, we're only looking for a stall with day traders. So let's go back to the flag, get rid of the head and shoulders possibility, because the bear flag looks like it's pretty top day. And the Omni's red, so I think we will possibly go after a gold trade as well. No guarantee that we'll actually get in, but we'll try maybe for a gold trade on Wednesday. Traders, join me at livewithoscar.com. That's where all the action takes place. It's a free live trading room. It is free to you. No credit cards, no nonsense. You can just sign up and join me in my live trading room, and we can chat there. I can answer you on camera and microphone. We can type to one another. The camera and microphone only goes one way. No weirdos will be producing anything there. Just me. If you could deal with me, I'll be the only one broadcasting. But if you come to my live trading room, I'm there literally 24 hours a day till the weekends on Friday afternoon. So come join me at Live with Oscar. I'll see you there. And remember to keep those emotions out of trading. In my opinion, one of the best things you can do to keep those emotions at bay is place your stops before you put the trade on, and then say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, thank you so much for tuning in. Please like and share these videos. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.